My name is Matt Worswick from Penny Hill Park Hotel at the Latimer restaurant. My food style has changed since I've been at the Latimer quite considerably. I suppose when I first started, I was cooking food I thought I had to cook, and then I just decided to cook the food that I wanted to. And only then can you really start being recognised for the real food, because you're confident in your ability and the style that you're doing and the execution. So only then did my original style really come to the forefront, and we're just being happy cooking the food that we do. So the dish I'm going to cook for you is a roasted Anjou pigeon. We serve a confit leg with it as well. Let's serve with a mushroom duxelle vol au vent. We're going to serve that with the Weiss chocolate, 65% smoky flavour from Ritter. So we're going to use Anjou pigeon, which is obviously based in France. It's a premium product, sort of the highest end pigeon that you can buy. And we get it shipped over via Ritter's, and we've got it on our menu now. And the other products that we've got a lovely mushroom duxelle vol au vent. The chocolate that we use for the Weiss chocolate has got a really smoky flavour. So when they're harvesting the beans, they burn the outside of the plantation, so the smoky flavour gets incorporated into the beans, and then that is processed into the chocolate. So it's not just an ordinary 65%, it's a really smoky, almost a savoury element to the dish, and that's why we use it in a savoury dish. Okay, so the mise en place for this dish, we've got a water bathed and then roasted Anjou pigeon. So the cooking of the pigeon, so we've got a water bath pigeon, we cooked that for an hour at 56 degrees, so it's nice and pink in the middle. Then we roast it off, rest it, and then we carve it. Then we'll carve that on the plate. Then we've got a mushroom vol au vent with a duxelle in it. Then we serve it with a bit of mushroom ketchup, and then we've got some roasted piccini mushrooms, and then we serve that with raw ceps as well. So then that pigeon will go on first, confit leg on the top. Then you've got your vol au vent, which will sit on the side. A couple of ceps, raw ceps for earthiness and for flavour. And then we finish the dish by grating the raw Weiss chocolate on the top from Ritter's. So there we have it. We've got a roasted Anjou pigeon with a mushroom duxelle vol au vent. We serve it with roasted piccini mushrooms and a Weiss chocolate sauce.